truck skids onto site. Have you brought all the tools?
Yeah, I have.
Alright, everybody zoom into position. We're gonna build a garage, yeah, this is our mission. So the doors on the truck go open and close. Tony's doors, they open and close. Unloading the boxes, then off he goes. Can you hear those great vibrations? It's the digger digging these foundations. Dig, 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 a shovel and a scoop. The arm swings around with a swoop, swoop, swoop. So the arm on the digger goes dig, dig, dig. Yeah, the arm on the digger goes dig, dig, dig.
I'm digging these rhymes, this tune is big.
Dig, 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 mix, 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 move and shake and hammer and fix. Now it's time to clear some room. Let's push this dirt with the vroom, vroom, vroom. Billy will push this into place. He's a strong bulldozer.
Yeah, rest my case.
The bulldozer goes push, push, push. Yeah, the bulldozer goes brum, brum, brum.
I'm like a really, 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 really strong broom.
It's CJ, the cement mixing DJ. See her mixing, let's see it on replay. The tank on the mixer goes mix, mix, mix. The cement in the mixer is wet, wet, wet. You shake it and pour it and watch it set.